Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to activate Mint mobile SIM card, then this video is for you. So if you want to activate a eSIM or a physical SIM from Mint Mobile, then you can follow the steps that are provided by the Mint Mobile official website. Where you can see the first step is connect to Wi-Fi and download the Mint Mobile app. In the app, select activate your SIM card. The app should detect if your phone is eSIM compatible. Then enter your 11-digit eSIM ACT code from your order confirmation email. Then second step is select keep your current one to bring your phone number to Mint or get a new number by selecting get a new one, and they will assign one to you based on your zip code. If you choose to get a new number, skip ahead to step 5. Now enter your current phone number if you want to use your current phone number, and also enter your zip code. This helps them verify your information and determine eligibility for transferring your number over to Mint. Now the first step is select your current carrier and provide the requested information. You will need your account number and PIN or number transfer PIN. You can find this on your current carrier's website or in your account settings. Then enter your name and initiate a number transfer request. Once your request goes through, you will see a message saying your plan has been activated. Install your eSIM. An iOS pop-up will appear asking if you would like to install eSIM. Click continue and follow the setup instructions. You will find the instruction on your screen. Then create account. Create a password to finish setting up your account on the Mint mobile app, and that's all. You are good to go with Mint mobile. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.